Okay guys, in this video we will be discussing how you can install your own money minting system.io funnel. For example, basically as you have done the purchase, you would be seeing this thank you page in front of you. Okay, you finally reached over there. So the first video is about sign up for the system.io if you haven't done so. If you don't have the system.io account and don't know about it much, you can check this video. It is a complete detailed overview. It is on the YouTube as well as on my funnel. Okay, the second video is about install the money minting system.io funnel to your account. This is the video which I am recording right now for you. Okay, so this is the thank you page. Along with it, I have created a new account and done a test purchase. So if you have purchased my product, you will be seeing the things the same way as I'll be showing you over here. Okay, so this is the test account. Let me delete it, activate it. Okay, I have created a new account in system.io. We don't have any funnels over here and we don't have any products inside this account as yet. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we will go to our email account. For example, this is your email account. You will be having 2, 3 or 4 emails basically from my name. Okay, first email would be about your invoice. Okay, so when you open it, it is about the confirmation of your invoice about the purchase you have done. The second email is about the product what you have purchased. They give its access to you, and the subject line is usually important, your access to training. So let's check the third email which I have sent to you. Okay, about this which is about congratulations, get access to your money minting funnel. The first thing first, very important message, please save this email in your inbox or send a short reply with any word. Okay, thank you, hi. You can write anything and reply to me, because it is important, because if you don't do this, the Gmail or any email platform considers it a spam until you reply it. Okay, or until you save it, so they see it credible. And it is important for you as well, because I will be launching any other tips, giving away free templates, bonuses after this purchase. So you will be getting that in spam instead of getting them in your inbox, so you can miss them as well. Okay, then the next thing is about for the new users. If you are a new user, if you haven't created your account yet on system.io, you can click on this link and create your own account. Okay, your first account. Then if you have bought only the money minting system, the $27 product along with one individual course, you will get the access to your funnel through this link. Okay, I'll demonstrate it very soon. Okay, also you can get the links of these videos, how to install it, or the video I'm right now recording. You can have access of all that in the thank you page. For example, this is the thank you page, and you will be getting the access of all the videos and tutorials which I will be uploading regarding the installation and finalization of this funnel. Okay, the next thing, if you have purchased the $27 per product, and you have also purchased the order bump as well, and making it a $97 package, and you have also clubbed the system.io PLR package along with it as well, so you will get the access of it in a separate email as well. Okay, and how to install this system.io PLR package, you will be having another separate video for it as well in the thank you page. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so this is my Systeme-io very raw account. I have just created it for the test demonstration. You can see we don't have any funnel right now over here. We don't have any kind of products or courses inside this account. So how should we install the funnel first? We have to go to the same email in which I have given you the access of the funnel. Okay, this is the Money Minting System funnel link over here. If we click over it, okay, the Money Minting System funnel gets automatically installed in your funnel system. Okay, so we were having no funnel over here, and now we are having the Money Minting System in your account. Let's see this funnel. We have to click on it. Okay, we have 3 pages in this funnel. The first page is the sales page, the first page. The second one is the order form, in which we enter the details of our pricing. And the third page is a thank you page, in which we give access usually to the funnels. Okay, so let's see the first page. We will click over here to view the funnel step. This is the first step of the funnel, and we are clicking on it to view the funnel step. Okay, so this is the first landing page or sales page, you can say. When you will be selling something through this funnel, whoever goes to buy something from you, they have to enter their first name, email address, and click on it. Okay, so it will lead to the second page, which is the order form. So this is the order form now. Okay, we have to enter some details in the order form to make it functional as far as purchase process is concerned, but we will be doing it at a later stage. First, we view the funnel step. Okay, you would have seen this funnel step in front of you while making the purchase, and you would have seen the order bump as well. Okay, so this is about the billing information. You will also see the validation button below this when you will enter the details of your payment gateway. You will have to connect your system account with the payment gateway, and when you will complete doing this, then you can have the access of the purchase or validation button below this. Let me show it to you in my funnel. Yeah, this is my funnel. This is the sales page I'm having right now, and this is the order form detail section, and below this you will be having, yes, I want to take advantage of this offer and get the lifetime access to the exclusive PLR offer before it expires. Okay, so when you will configure, or when you will add the payment gateway details to it, you will be having the option to add the validation button over here as well. Then there is a third page of our funnel. This is the thank you page. Let's see it. Okay, thank you, you are awesome. When you will be customizing your thank you page, you can change this picture. You can place your picture as well instead of mine, because I am giving you the 100% private label rights, and you can sell this product as your own as many times as you can. For example, if you sell it to 1,000 people, you can generate $27,000, or if you sell the complete package of $97, you can generate $97,000. So sky is the limit. Basically, you can customize it your own way, and you can use my videos. You can upload your own videos. For example, the video I am recording right now will be placed over here. Install the Money Minting System funnel to your account. So I have shown how to add the funnel, add the Money Minting funnel to your system account, and we will be customizing this funnel as well according to your needs in the next video, so stay tuned.